Hey everybody, I'm Bryan from AMS Performance, and today we're going to talk about the triple pump fuel system for the Lamborghini Huracan and Audi R8. So this fuel system upgrades our twin pump fuel system with a few key components that you see here. The first is the basket assembly that goes into the tank, and the second is the PDM assembly, which goes in the engine bay. The basket assembly is made out of full billet 6061. It replaces the factory basket that we were reusing in the twin pump system to allow us to add a third pump. We did, of course, keep the siphon and return functionality that allows us to use the factory siphon system in the fuel tank and augment it by running a return style system. So not only are we filling the basket quickly with the factory siphons, we're also bringing in our fuel return here to go to the bottom of the basket. Our top hat has an O-ring here to keep fuel in the basket and keep it full, so that even on lower tank levels, you can still have quite a bit of fuel flow for full power delivery. The pumps are mounted with O-rings to help maintain vibration resistance. This clips into the factory basket here. We reuse the original two pump top hat with all of the connectors and fittings fitting onto stock parts and our plug and play wiring harnesses. Our PDM box is designed to give clean and consistent voltage to the pumps. We do that by going straight to the alternator. Power comes in here. The signal comes in from the pumps, and what this box does is not only provide, a simple fused relayed clean set of power to the pumps, it keeps everything synchronized. The PDM box provides power to the three pumps, allowing for us to provide enough fuel for over 3,200 horsepower on gasoline and 2,400 horsepower on E85. The PDM box is designed to be waterproof, to be IP67, so it can sit in the engine bay without worry, rain, fuel, oil, any types of environmental intrusion affecting the performance of the box. The bulkheads, the connectors are all sealed, as well as the wire grommet from the alternator. You can actually dunk this in water and have it still work. After the components have been designed, a big part of the work is getting this thing integrated into the car and supplied with all of the parts and components to make it an easy plug and play system. This kit will come with wire harnesses, connectors, mounting hardware, everything you need, instructions that are over 50 pages long to help you install this and have it running flawlessly. This product's been in development for a good while now. We've actually been running it in more than 5 cars in various forms to test the long-term durability, peak performance, and tunability of the package. This works with the rest of our V10 fuel system components, including our rails, our flex fuel engine bay kit, and our line kit. All of this is made to be modular to allow people to either have a complete plug and play easy solution or something that's going to integrate with what they've already have installed and are running. Some of the things we did with the PDM box were not only to allow us to give that clean power to the pumps, but also have the product last long and be durable. So we have 2 additional factory fuel controllers here, mounted with foam in a billet piece to keep them vibration isolated, and the entire package is also mounted to the chassis with foam to keep it vibration isolated. The box is made with O-rings, and the connectors are all sealed as well. A big driver of this kit was making it easy for all of our customers to get the results that they're looking for. We want to make things that are not only high performing, that allow people to push the limits of the platform as it evolves, but to do it quickly and efficiently without a lot of head scratching. We spent a lot of time here in our garage to make sure that we can achieve that for you. For more information on this kit, check us out at amsperformance.com or contact our sales staff for the customer experience. Or please feel free to leave a comment. We read all of them. Thanks for watching. Listen, you put the thing in, you go fast, get your credit card out.